Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete duplicate files on your Android phone easily. Alright guys, first of all, open your file manager on your Android phone. Then we're going to click on the analyze storage right here. Tap on the analyze storage button and the screen will look like this, and you have to scroll down until you find the duplicate files. So these are my duplicate files on my phone. Then you can click on the duplicate files right here. Then if you want to delete the duplicate files, you just need to select the duplicate files that you want to delete. And for example, I'm going to select this one and also this one. And after we're done selecting the duplicate files, we just need to click on delete. And you can also filter the duplicate files on your Android phone. You can tap on this option. Then you can filter by the location of the file. You can select internal storage, SD card, or all, and it's up to you. And alright guys, that's how we can delete duplicate files on Android phone easily. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.